If you're looking for an exceptional collector car, you're going to want to watch this video. If you're looking for an exceptional 1963 Impala Super Sport, you're really going to watch this video. This one is outstanding. Body off the frame restoration. Underneath is as clean as the top. It is laser beam straight with a mirror finish. Built 283, 4-speed. It's a real black, real super sport car. Some nice upgrades, which we'll tell you about in a little bit. You can go to volocars.com. You'll find price tags on this one and over 200 other collector cars we have for sale. And that's where you'll find complete descriptions, photos, financing, insurance, and plenty of ways to contact the sales department as well as a buy it now button. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's a QR code that will be on the screen throughout the video. You can scan that. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. So this is absolutely phenomenal. It has these nice ribs in the hood that look, come from the factory that way. There is a bubble right here in the middle of the hood. It looks like one little raindrop. I went to wipe it off, but it's a little bubble, and that's really all I've seen. This is straight. I don't mean pretty straight. I mean it's absolutely straight. These gaps are spot on, perfectly lined up. I purposely left the windows up. Show you how nice it shuts even with those. The roof is absolutely fantastic. They have these lines here, supposed to make it look like a convertible, like the top bows in the roof there. The trunk, all the same, absolutely straight. It has a nice indentation here in the middle, so it has some nice style in 63. And again, there's not a ripple or a wave. Look at the quarter panels. Look at all the way down here. I could read my watch in the reflection with no problem. It is all glass finish. Look at that. The gaps are spot on. There's no rust, no damage, no door dents. Even opening the door, it's just effortless. The jambs are crystal clear black paint. Watch how easy it shuts. A little bump. Again, square flush lines, smooth all the way to the bottom. Absolutely fantastic. Windshield must be new. It's crystal clear. Up front here, the chrome. I think this is a bumper guard. I think that's an extra piece. But all this here is a good 8 out of a 10. It's all beautiful, shiny, looking really sharp. Antenna looks good. It does say 409 with the cross flags. It's not a 409. It has the bow tie mirrors on both sides. And again, look at the window frames and all that, how nicely it fits. The Super Sports come with this machine-turned insert in the moldings. All that's in real nice shape. Has the rocker moldings in excellent shape. Door handles look new. All the stainless around the roof and the windows look real good. Probably the original rear window, and it's very nice. You have the SS emblem, and everything back here is sharp. Got bumper guards. And again, the machine-turned trim. There's the trunk keys. I'll be looking for those later. And all looking good. If that's all scratched up or beat up, then you had to replace it all. But it's looking really nice on this car. The original SS hubcaps, the correct ones, beautiful, sparkling. They're on nicely painted black rims. And they're sitting on some fresh-looking Hankook tires for a nice ride. You're going to like what I show you next. Let's check out the interior. There's a lot of value in this car. To restore it to this condition will cost you more than we're asking, and you'll only be so lucky it turns out as nice as this one is. Look at the bottom of the trunk, all neatly painted and glossy. It has the sticker and the inserts look nice. The jam is just as slick as the car. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is all clean metal. It has the 3-piece mat, spatter painted neatly. Has a Hankook tire and a nice restored rim, the jack assembly. That's all there. That's the stuff that you don't find typically. And again, this paint job will knock the socks off 90% of them out there or more. In a factory Tuxedo Black car. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The jambs are slick. The weather strips fit nice. You can see the latches and hardware and sill plates all look real good. The interior has been completely replaced, all stock reproduction door panels, armrests. Now this has the padded dash. That's an option. It fits wonderfully. It's a 4-speed car, so they come with a tachometer. That's a factory tach. And look at the knobs and the machine turn trim and the satin black finish, the gauges. All of this is so clean. The clock is working. Well, I think it's working. Yeah, yeah. I heard it ticking when I was sitting in here earlier. All these knobs, heater controls, looking good. A retro stereo fits right in the factory location. And see the knobs even match the originals. It's got upgraded speakers in here. Glove box is all nice. The light works. Has the owner's manual, carburetor manual. All of this is clean. The interior lights work. The carpet's real nice fitted. It's not wrinkled up. And then you have these nice embroidered mats. The Super Sport center console with the machine turn trim, 4-speed. That also separates this from a lot of the others. Again, nice original console. Seatbelts are not required yet, but this one has some new seatbelts in front. The cushions are nice and plump. The upholstery is all fresh. Backs of the seat all looking good. The light at the back of the console even works. We have floor mats and nice carpet back here. Just like the front, wall to wall, it's excellent. It's all replaced. There's a neat little metal buttons. Impala speaker in the middle. The tray is nice. All the trim is real nice. The interior lights work here. And those are actually little stars embossed into the headliner. When you look up, you'll be looking at the stars. All new, matching visors. Nice original mirror. Correct steering wheel. Real nice shape. Just a nice interior, even up under the dash, all nice and tidy and clean. Again, this is what separates it from the others. Just noticing the jambs up by the hinges are nice and clean, black. So this is a correct 283 motor, and it's got plenty of power, and it cruises so nicely. It's a very reliable engine. Up on top, it is upgraded with an Edelbrock intake and 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. It has an electronic choke, and that's dressed with matching valve covers and air cleaner. Look how smooth and clean the firewall and the heater box and the inner fenders, all nice, smooth, clean metal. The hoses are attached. It's got the dust shields. All looks very proper. The battery is secured properly. It has spring clamp battery cables. It does have an upgraded aluminum radiator. Factory style fan shroud. I think it looks like the bottom of a 55-gallon drum, but that's the way it's supposed to be. The pulleys are clean. It has power steering, and all this looks new. The steering box and the coupler and the hoses. You have the washer fluid, and then washer fluid concentrate would go in this glass bottle. Wires are run neatly. We'll talk more about the brakes in a little bit, but it's all upgraded. This is a new power brake booster with a dual reservoir, much safer than the single that it originally came with. Look at the squirter hoses, and everything's just neat and tidy and proper. Under the hood is nice and black. This needs to be wiped off a little better. Michael's going to show you how nicely it functions, and then we'll see you back in a few minutes. We'll talk about the underside.
Sounding engine there. Get her in a 4th gear here. Cruise a little bit. I really like having the tachometer right there front and center. It's a cool thing they did for the SS's. downshifts there. Fun to drive. Nice and easy fluid power steering. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. It's a breeze, didn't even think twice. Strong running engine, really nice exhaust tone. And yeah, so the ride quality is all there. Eating up all the bumps and cracks here. Now we're cruising basically 60 at like 2100 RPMs and fourths, so getting the thumbs up here. Yeah. I think this paint says it all. When somebody looks at it, they know. But yeah, contact our sales team if you want to come take it for a test drive, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
I see a lot of cars, Camaros, Chevelles. You don't run into these that often anymore in a black 4-speed. Matter of fact, my father's seen it and he absolutely loved it. He wants to keep all the cars, but he's like, that one we should just put away. He loves it, and I don't blame him. So the body was off the frame. The chassis, the frame is all in beautiful shape, painted black. The floors are rock solid, clean metal with just a light undercoat, and it all looks fresh and sanitary. The suspension and steering looks like it's all been redone. Of course, the car goes through our shop for service and inspection. Dual exhaust, very neatly runs along the X-frame, so they did a nice job routing it. It has Flowmaster mufflers. The tailpipes are up where they should be, so that's all proper. The fuel system was all replaced, including the tank and the lines. And also the brake system. Not only was it redone, it was upgraded. There are disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. The original drums and components will come with it. We have a tub that weighs a ton. That'll go with the car, but it's got discs on there. I don't know why you'd ever want to put drums back on. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless, Chevy orange, clean, straight. The oil pan's not beat up. The starter looks fresh. It is a correct 4-speed. T10 transmission. In back, it has 336 posi gears in the rear end. So this is an incredibly nice car throughout, fit, the finish, and the function. You can go to volocars.com. There is a buy it now button where you can lock it up until you talk to a salesman. You can call, you can email. All that information is on our website, volocars.com. Thanks for watching.